All right, guys, this is the watch list video for Friday, October 24th. The SPY is pretty darn close to all-time highs. I love when I make the call of the day and I get to highlight myself, but that's not the case today, and it almost never is. Kevin P gets the call of the day. SCNX over $1.01, I believe, and there's the and it actually went to 260. That may be the call of the month or year. I'm not sure. But if you want to see the intraday setup, the early high was $1.01 sideways. He called it over that. Stop about 15 cents below. Took a little bit to get going, and then it just went nuts. Huge, over 100% gainer. Great call by Kevin P. I know a lot of you made money in that one today. So that's the highlight. That's no other call is even worth talking about. I did have some other trades. I had a couple good trades in BACQ and some other stuff. But anyway, all that said, I'm going to go right into the watch list for Friday. NBIS did finally bounce and put in a green candle, and I'm putting it on long watch for a continuation of that bounce tomorrow. IREN, kind of the same thing. PTRN has only been trading, I don't know, about a month now, a little over a month, and broke out to new highs. So we'll see if it gives a follow-through setup tomorrow. NMRA, nice little mini breakout, worth watching for follow-through. AIRE, also interesting, kind of a weird chart, but it closed pretty strong today and topped out at $1.05. Maybe we get through that. Maybe we challenge this recent high from yesterday. BACQ, massive move today on a Citron post and held up pretty well. So definitely want to watch that one tomorrow. SCNX, I already talked about Kevin's call. I mean, it's way ahead of itself, but any stock that does that, much like Beyond Meat, BYND, earlier this week, we got to keep that on watch because we're day traders. DVLT, interesting to me today that it topped out at 243 and then yesterday's high 245. So over that 2-day high, and this could maybe start taking out some highs, and the daily chart's holding up really well. SANA, kind of a sleeper pick. Eric Jackson call that ripped it, and now it's really kind of consolidating, so maybe up over this area it could get going. GSIT, after the big rip, you've got consecutive lower highs on the daily and a pretty narrow range today, so that one goes on bounce watch. RANI, maybe my favorite, just had such a huge move, and then you got 2 red days in a row on declining volume. That one goes on bounce watch. You guys in chat know what I look for at intraday on the bounce plays. And then CRML was $32 a couple weeks ago, not even maybe 2 full weeks, and we're down to 13 something. That one goes on bounce watch. And then QLGN ripped in after hours, and as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 584. So if it's holding up, it goes on the gap playlist. Topped out so far in after hours at 621. And that's it for me. I will see you guys in the pre-market. We'll add other gappers to this list, and let's have a great Friday.